2-3 lesions ఇప్పుడు discuss చేస్తాను. And I will continue the remaining lesions in the next class. I will tell you the time. Right. If you remember yesterday, I have discussed about the classification of tumors, benign tumors and malignant tumors, and I have enumerated all the tumors which are there. Is my presentation visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you see this, this is the basic uh, overview of all the tumors that are there in the head and neck, that occur in the head and neck region. So as I told you yesterday, basically you divide the tumors as odontogenic and non-odontogenic tumors. All the tumors that arise from the tooth forming apparatus, which includes the enamel, dentin, cementum, and the cells associated with those structures, ameloblasts, odontoblasts, cementoblasts, or epithelial rests of malaceae present in the periodontal ligament. All the tumors arising from tooth forming apparatus and the cells of tooth associated structures, they are known as odontogenic tumors. And these tumors can be both benign and malignant. So all other tumors except these odontogenic origin, they are considered as non-odontogenic tumors. These tumors arise from the other tissues of the head and neck region. So these can be again epithelial tumors which arise from the oral mucous membrane, or non-epithelial or connective tissue tumors, which are basically the mesenchymal tumors, which arise from the fibrous connective tissue, bone, cartilage, blood vessels, or fat tissue. So whatever tissues that are present in the oral cavity, in the head and neck region, all these tissues can show these benign and malignant connective tissue tumors. Similarly, you have special tumors, that is muscle and nerve tissue tumors. Again, they can be benign and malignant. So with this overview, I discussed about the epithelial, the classification of epithelial tumors and the connective tissue tumors, both benign and malignant. Just I will summarize here. In the epithelial category, you have these benign and malignant tumors. In benign category, you have squamous papilloma, squamous acanthoma, and keratoacanthoma. And you have a big list in the malignant category, starting from squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, going up to malignant melanoma. All these things are over for you. And in the connective tissue, we have both benign and malignant. Fibroma, matosis, giant cell fibroma, all these are benign. And you have the malignant counterparts like fibrosarcoma, liposarcoma, which are the malignant counterparts of the benign tumors which you see. Similarly, muscle tissue, we have leiomyoma, angiomyoma, rhabdomyoma, and nerve tissue, neurofibroma, and neurilemma. So this is the clinical, this is the line diagram showing how the different surfaces of different lesions appear: smooth, granular, verrucous, lobulated, or bossulated, based on the base, how they appear. So today I will continue with yesterday I discussed about fibroma and ossifying. Yesterday I discussed about oral fibroma, giant cell fibroma, peripheral ossifying fibroma, and central ossifying fibroma. Can anyone tell briefly in one line what is squamous papilloma? Squamous papilloma ante enti cheptara? You attended yesterday's class. What is squamous papilloma?
It is a benign
Yes, you
epithelial
can.
tumor, sir, associated with human papilloma virus of 6 and
Yes,
11 strains.
yes. It is a benign epithelial tumor associated with human papilloma virus. What is keratoacanthoma?